Hi, welcome to Tap Tech. The new Xbox Series S for 2025 is finally here, and it brings fresh updates while staying true to its original purpose. Microsoft wanted to create a compact, budget-friendly console that delivers next-gen performance without the high cost. And with this updated Series S, they've done just that. It's sleek, smart, and still one of the best ways to get into gaming without spending a fortune. The design hasn't changed much at first glance, but there are small details that show improvement. It's still the smallest Xbox ever made. The compact shape fits perfectly in tight spaces. Whether you put it next to your TV, on a shelf, or even pack it for travel, the Series S is light and portable. The white finish is smooth, with better cooling vents and a more refined build. It still has that black circular grille on top, but now the materials feel even more solid. Microsoft upgraded the internal storage. The new Series S now comes with 1 TB of storage, which solves a major issue from the older version. Games are getting bigger, and 512 GB just wasn't enough. With the new storage, you can install more titles without needing an expansion card right away. And yes, if you still want more space, the Series S supports Seagate's storage expansion cards, making it easy to upgrade. The performance also got a small bump. While it still uses the same general architecture, Microsoft has fine-tuned things. The CPU remains an 8-core AMD Zen 2 processor, but clock speeds have been slightly improved. The GPU has also been tweaked to allow better frame rates and smoother gameplay in many games. You're still getting 1440p gaming with upscaling to 4K, and for most users, the graphics look great. In fact, the Series S handles popular games better than ever. Load times are fast thanks to the high-speed NVMe SSD. Games boot quickly, menus are snappy, and switching between apps or games feels instant. Quick Resume is back and works even better. Now, you can jump between games in seconds, picking up exactly where you left off. It's one of the best features on any console. The new Xbox Series S also supports all the same features as the Series X. You get ray tracing, HDR, variable refresh rate, and auto low latency mode. The picture quality is sharp and colorful, especially on modern TVs. While the Series S is not as powerful as the Series X, the differences are often hard to notice unless you're looking very closely. For most gamers, especially those who don't use 4K monitors, the Series S is more than enough. Another big focus is Game Pass. Xbox Game Pass continues to be the best value in gaming. With the Series S, you get access to hundreds of games for a low monthly fee. First-party titles like Halo, Forza, and Starfield launch day one on Game Pass. The library includes indie games, third-party hits, and classic titles. Whether you are new to gaming or a returning player, there's something for everyone. Xbox Cloud Gaming is now fully supported on the Series S. You can stream games directly without downloading them. This is perfect if you want to try a game before installing it or if you're low on space. It's also great for quick gaming sessions where you don't want to wait for updates or installs. The streaming quality is surprisingly good, and the system handles it well. The controller hasn't changed much, but that's a good thing. It still feels great in hand, with responsive buttons, textured grips, and solid build quality. Microsoft added a few updates to improve connectivity and reduce latency. The share button makes it easy to take screenshots or clips while playing. The controller now uses a USB-C port, and you can also use rechargeable battery packs if you prefer backwards compatibility is another strength. The Xbox Series S can play thousands of games from previous generations. That includes Xbox One, Xbox 360, and even some original Xbox games. And many of them run better than ever before. Some get auto HDR, smoother frame rates, or improved load times. It's a great way to relive old favorites or catch up on classics you missed. For parents or casual gamers, the Series S is also a perfect fit. It's easy to set up, simple to use, and works with a wide range of services. You can use Netflix, YouTube, Spotify, and other apps just like on a smart TV. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly. And with Microsoft's family settings, you can manage screen time, purchases, and game ratings for kids. The audio quality has improved too. The console now supports spatial sound technologies like Dolby Atmos and Windows Sonic. If you use a good headset or home theater system, game sound rich and immersive. Explosions, footsteps, and music feel more alive. It adds a whole new layer to your gaming experience. Online play is smooth. Xbox Live is still one of the most reliable gaming networks. Whether you're playing Call of Duty, Fortnite, or EAFC 25, the connection stays strong. Party chat, game invites, and crossplay work seamlessly. You can play with friends on Xbox, PC, or even cloud platforms. Another great addition is faster system updates. The Series S now downloads and installs updates more efficiently. It also has a new power mode that balances performance with energy savings. You can choose whether to keep your console on for quick startup or save more electricity in energy saving mode. The interface is also cleaner now. Microsoft made small changes to the dashboard to improve navigation. You can find your games, friends, and apps more easily. Search is faster, and the store is better organized. Everything runs smoothly. And you can customize your home screen to match your preferences. Streaming from the Series S is easier now too. With built-in support for Twitch and other services, you can start streaming gameplay with just a few clicks. The console also supports external capture cards if you want to use higher-end gear. It's a great option for creators or anyone who wants to share gameplay online. One of the biggest strengths of the Series S is how quiet it is. Even when playing demanding games, the fan noise is low. It's perfect for quiet rooms or shared spaces. The console also stays cool, thanks to better thermal design. You don't have to worry about overheating or loud fans interrupting your game. Despite its smaller size and lower cost, the Series S holds its own in the next-gen world. It's not just a cheaper option, it's a smart one. If you're a casual gamer, a student, or someone who wants a second console for another room, this is a great choice. It gives you access to the full Xbox ecosystem without breaking the bank. The build quality is solid, the performance is smooth, and the experience feels premium. It may not be the most powerful console, but it delivers a fantastic gaming experience. And with Game Pass, cloud gaming, and backwards compatibility, there's no shortage of things to play. Some people may ask if it's worth choosing the Series S over the Series X. The answer depends on what you need. If you're gaming on a 1080p or 1440p screen and want a smaller, more affordable console, the Series S is perfect. If you want full 4K gaming and disc support, the Series X might be better. But for most people, especially casual or younger gamers, the Series S offers more than enough. The new 2025 version of the Xbox Series S proves that Microsoft is still committed to giving gamers more options. It's a powerful, compact, and affordable console that fits many lifestyles. Whether you're diving into the world of gaming for the first time or just want a new system to play the latest titles, the Series S is a great choice, and with continued support from Microsoft, regular updates, and day one Game Pass releases, this console is built to last. You don't need the biggest machine to enjoy the best games. Sometimes, small and simple is exactly what you need. This is Tap Tech, and that was our full review of the 2025 Xbox Series S. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.